Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you're trying to make the most of your Instagram organic content marketing, now that you understand the fact that SEO or search engine optimization is increasingly important on that platform, and you want some tips when it comes to Instagram SEO, well, this is the video for you. So let's get into Instagram SEO Tips 2021. But wait, before we do that, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. If you need a basic primer on Instagram SEO and you know that up front, or after watching this video you're like, well, maybe I need to learn about things, get it down in a more basic fashion before you move forward. You could totally do that by watching a video I did recently, and it's called What is Instagram SEO 2021? And if you're like, I need some more intermediate kind of conceptualization and tips, tricks, and techniques to improve the Instagram SEO I've already got going on, and you're saying this to yourself either after you watch that video I just suggested to you, or even after you watch this video that you're watching right now, then let me just recommend another video of mine entitled How to Improve Your Instagram SEO 2021. Because if you're going at things all 2020 style in terms of your Instagram SEO based approach, well, it's time that you got an upgrade. But for now, let's dive into some fundamental Instagram SEO tips 2021. Tip 1, have an SEO-driven profile. This means that you're optimizing your profile in terms of adding keywords that you know your ideal customer will pull up using the search feature on Instagram. This will help your account be found by more members of your niche. So you have to add those keywords that are important to your ideal customer's search in both your business name and your username if possible too. What's the difference? Well, collectively these things help to make up your profile, but the username is the name of the account itself. And I hope you've got an Instagram business type account, now that I think about it, so that you can check out all of your Instagram insights or analytics, because as you take advantage of these tips I'm sharing with you week by week, you can then see by checking those analytics whether you've selected the right keywords for your profile and your content, because you can see the growth both globally for your account and with respect to individual KPIs or key performance indicators as they relate to your content piece by piece. But anyway, your username may be something that you want to add keywords into that you know your ideal customer is searching on in order to pull up accounts and content having to do with their main pain point or the problem they want to solve, or their main passion point or the thing that they can't stop buying, collecting, using, etc. that can help them to satisfy a deeply held desire. But what if the name of your business takes up the whole username field, basically, and or you don't want to change it by adding keywords into it? Never fear, because you can still add the proper keywords to optimize your business name in your bio, which shouldn't be your personal name or the name of the business or your Instagram username regurgitated, especially if you can't optimize that username too well with keywords for whatever the reason. So at least you have a second chance when it comes to your business name. Where is that business name located in your profile bio, you ask? The best way for me to explain this is that it's the wording that you can put right under your profile image or icon. That very first line really shouldn't be the name of your business again, or your name or anything like that. It should be a keyword optimized sentence or sentence fragment that says what your business is all about. For example, if the name of your business were home keto cooking, your username would say that, and quite frankly that's got some good keywords in there. But Maybe your name or business name should be something more narrowed down that would speak more directly to your ideal customer. So for example, it might say, in a keyword-rich way, something like cyclical ketogenic dieting. Now that's a powerful way to come up in search for just the right members of your niche. Am I right? And you're not being redundant by, in this example, having the words home keto cooking as both your username and your business name. That's wasting precious space in that profile of yours. Tip 2, have a better bio. Everything I just said about your username and business name goes double for the keywords you have in your bio. Your bio shouldn't be about you. It should be about who you serve and how you serve them and what outcome they can enjoy by patronizing a business like yours. So every word possible in that bio should be a keyword-rich one. Don't waste a syllable on anything that's not straightforward, anything that is in any way goofy, comic, ironic, or anything like that. Why? Your ideal customer isn't searching on words like those when they're searching for a content to consume on Instagram, are they? So ask yourself instead, what are the specific words that your ideal customer is searching on to pull up the content they need to binge on about that main pain point or that main passion point of theirs? Stand in their shoes, think about that problem or passion, and pretend you're them, entering words in search while you're engaging in this exercise, because those are the words or SEO-laden keywords that you should put into that bio for your business. Tip 3, alt text your post images. This one's easy, but so many people don't think about doing it, yet it allows you to infuse every post image that you publish to the Instagram platform to be SEO rich. So adding alt text allows you to add words to your images so that the visually impaired can participate in using Instagram more fully. So determine what keywords your ideal customer would be searching for that would be best associated with each image you're using for a post or that you're publishing to Instagram. And then once you've added the image and you're brought to the caption screen for that image, you can then select advanced settings towards the bottom of your screen and then scroll down to the accessibility section and add your SEO infused alt text to the image there. Again, this practice not only serves to make your Instagram content accessible to more people, but it enhances your Instagram SEO, which helps you in terms of search and can even help you in terms of Instagram algorithmic-based Explore tab related suggestions too. Tip 4, double layer your SEO. So as discussed in my recent video, why your Instagram captions don't work, you really need to be more keyword and or SEO aware when writing your captions, because the words or keywords contained within them will help to have your content pulled up in search better by users on Instagram who are searching for that type of content. So if you missed that video, check it out for the deep dive associated with it about how to make your Instagram captions work better. But suffice it to say, the first layer of SEO on each piece of content that you create for Instagram, feed posts, reels, and IGTV videos should concern the keywords used in your captions. And then, of course, the second layer of your SEO should concern the proper use of hashtags. In 2021 and moving forward, increasingly adding the proper keywords in the captions and adding related hashtags, both to every piece of content possible, will be critical for optimizing your content and will help the Instagram algorithm to better understand who to push content out to in terms of both your current followers and also Instagram users whose behavior and content consumption patterns are very like that of your current followers. Do your Instagram SEO properly, and more of your Instagram followers will have your content pushed out into their feeds and prioritized properly. Plus, more Instagram users who really should be followers of yours will get a chance to see your content suggested to them on the Explore tab too. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to Instagram SEO tips 2021. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.